In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove and replace an inner taillight on a Grand Cherokee. To do either inner taillight, you have to open the tailgate, and we need to take the inside interior plastic cover off. So once the tailgate is open, I'm going to locate my back plastic trim piece here, and I'm going to start from this side. You can start either way. Trim tool, something that's not too sharp, you want to pry out on this. Get your fingers under it and then pull down. You can hear all those clips popping. So once you have all the edges undone, there's going to be some clips internally right in the middle. So you just got to get a firm grip on it and give it a good pull, like that. And then you can see the clips that are still in, and then pull down. There we go. Now I'm going to undo my little lights here. Take a flat screwdriver, pop this out, and then same on this side. Pop that trim out, and then pull that down. So I'm going to show you the back of the new inner taillight, and there's 4 mounting screws, just like this. So if you look inside on the tailgate itself, 2 are on the external edge of the gate, and 2 are inside. So with a 10mm socket, we're just going to spin those out. You can use a wrench if you don't have a socket. I'm going to twist that socket out, and the same with this side. Pull it out. So now we can move the tailgate down to your height, and you can push it out or take your plastic trim tool and pull it out that way. Let's get that right out of the way. Now before we install the new taillight, I'm going to do a little bit of cleaning here. Get rid of some of that dirt that you can't get to. And now we're going to take the new taillight, line up those mounting screws and the plastic tabs, and give it a little quick push in. There we go. So now I'm going to take my 10mm socket, and I'm going to start these. I'm not going to tighten them up until they're all started. See how it popped it through? I wouldn't want to squeeze it and then crack the lens. Perfect, so you don't want to rank on it, just till it stops, bottoms out. Now we can take our lamp assemblies. So this one is burnt out anyways, look at that. So we get a new bulb and socket. Remove it, and that one goes here. Hear that click? Push the red tab in, lock it, and the same on this one. Squeeze that tab, pull that socket off, and hear the click. Now before we install our rear liftgate trim, I'm going to look on for my clips, see that they're all attached. I see I have one missing, so it's stuck still in the body, in the gate. So with a trim tool, you just reach up in there, pop that off, and to install it, see the staging. If it's not broken, put it on the first stage and click it right in. So I'm going to plug in the liftgate lights. You have one on both sides. Just push it right in until it clicks. Do it to the other side, like that. And now I'm going to line up the bottom. So once you think you've got it all centered, it's time to start clicking it in. Feel if it's tight against the body. And now you can shut the gate. When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.